Here we come to the larger elevator at the education building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona.
This one does not go to the first floor.
This one does not go down to the basement. And here it comes. I can feel the wind.
This one's pretty neat.
But yeah, let's get a cab view. This is vintage. Probably installed in the 70s or 60s.
Yeah.
You can, oh yeah, you can actually see the shaft a little bit. JL interlock.
Yep. There we go.
Let's get a view of the shaft. But you can see way up. There's a little vent up at the top. Is it flashing?
Oh no. We can do that. Let's go.
Let's go to 8.
Look at the indicator. Very interesting.
There we go. There's the floor passing chime. Intermittent. Working. It only does.
This elevator's kind of fast. This elevator's kind of fast.
Yeah, it is pretty fast. I don't think this has a bell, but we'll try.
Nope.
No bell. Let's go down to 2, and door close button works. Capacity 3,500 pounds. Older fan. The floor passing chime only works on the even floors, which is kind of weird. Here we are on 2. See, 3,500 pounds. No classic leveling.
Yeah. There it goes.
And here it goes. And here it goes. You feel the wind. Here it stopped on 4. Anyways, that's it.